Have you ever tasted this green beef in paper Lolot leaves? These small rolls of beef look like stuffed grape leaves. Once grilled, they are wrapped in rice paper or salad leaves with herbs and rice noodles. Then they are dipped in the spring rolls sauce. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the beef in thin slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Remove the little tip and the first leaf of the lemongrass. They are too hard. Mince them. Peel the garlic cloves. Chop the lemongrass and the garlic in the food processor. Put them with the beef. Then add a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, some ground pepper. Combine all together. I leave this marinade in the fridge while I prepare the other ingredients. I invite you to watch my video that explains how to cook the rice noodles. Crush the roasted peanuts. To have a crunchy and sour carrot pickle, cut it in fine julienne. Then add a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar. Combine and let marinate while continuing the preparation. Finely slice the gherkins. Mince the spring onion. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the spring onion. Stir for 20 seconds. Then cut off the fire. To prepare the dipping sauce, you can watch my video. Remove the paper Lolot leaves from their stem. On each leaf, put the marinated beef. Roll it up. Skewer the small rolls. Grill them on high heat for 2 minutes on each side. You can also grill them in a pan or in the oven on high heat. On a large plate, put the salad leaves, the herbs, the mint, the cilantro, the pepper Lolot leaves, the rice noodles, the gherkins, the carrots, and the green beef. Top with the spring onion, and sprinkle with crushed peanuts. Add the bowl of dipping sauce. To enjoy this dish, briefly soak a rice paper in hot water. Then put on a leaf of salad, some mint leaves, some cilantro, a few pickled carrots, a little gherkins, some rice noodles, a roll of grilled beef. Fold both sides of the rice paper towards the center. Roll it up. Dip the roll in the sauce and bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my recipe. Rendez-vous in my next homemade dish video.